Hello, and welcome to the demonstration of the AtmoSonic C100 and C150 fogging machines. Both foggers comprise an easily adjustable shoulder strap to allow for mobile use and a large tank with wide throat for easy filling. The C100 fogger has a 4-litre capacity tank, whereas the larger C150 fogger can hold up to 6 litres of your chosen fluid. Please note that whilst we'll be using the C100 for this demonstration, the instructions to follow are also applicable to the C150. Let's start by filling the tank with fluid. We're using our own safe organic biocide, AtmoSan. The tank can be found at the back of the machine. To start, place the machine on a flat, stable surface. Then unscrew the tank lid. Carefully pour in your fluid and tightly replace the lid. If you're unsure of how much fluid to use for your area, please check out our website at the end of this video or contact our sales team for more advice. Now that the machine is filled with fluid, let's check the settings. The flow regulator can be found here on the nozzle. When you receive the fogger, the regulator will be set to fully open. Viewing the machine from the back so as not to stand in front of the nozzle, simply twist the nozzle anti-clockwise as shown to close the regulator. We recommend using a dry fog, meaning that the droplets of liquid are so small, surfaces will not feel wet or damp after fogging. This setting is particularly useful around electrical equipment and can be set by turning the nozzle to around 90 degrees from the closed position. Now that the flow regulator settings are done and the tank is filled, we can start to use the machine. If you like, this is a good opportunity to take an ATP swab test in your chosen area. For more information on our ATP testing systems, please check out our website. The C100 and C150 foggers can be used in a variety of ways: as a table standing unit or mounted on the floor at an angle to emit fog into the atmosphere of an area, or over the shoulder for more concentrated or directed use. Both fogging units have 2 power settings, half power and full power. When using the machine in its handheld capacity for high touch and hard to reach areas, we recommend using the half power setting as shown. When leaving the machine to run as a standing unit, we recommend using the full power setting. For this demonstration, we'll be using the C100 as a portable unit, using the shoulder strap. Our AtmoSan biocide is 100% safe for use with no kosh controls, so we don't need to use any PPE for this demonstration. However, if you're using another product, please remember to always read the label on your chosen fluid and take all precautions advised by your supplier. We'll be sanitizing our office for this demonstration. We have a lot of electrical equipment in the office, but this won't be a problem as we've set the regulator to a dry fog. However, we do recommend testing the machine before use around electrics to ensure that the setting is correct. A dry fog should be almost invisible whilst being emitted from the machine. Please also make sure to keep a 1 to 2 meter distance between the machine nozzle and any electrical equipment. Firstly, plug the machine into the socket. Pick up the fogging machine and place the strap over your shoulder. The on-off switch can be found at the top of the machine, close to the handle, with the 2 settings as discussed earlier in this video. As the vacuum builds, there can be a momentary delay of a few seconds before you begin to see fog emerging from the machine. Now that the machine is switched on and producing fog, we can begin sanitizing our office. Keeping the nozzle pointed away from you, begin using the machine in a sweeping motion back and forth across the area. This offers a fuller, even coverage of fog across the area and prevents moisture from building on electrical equipment. Again, remember to stay 1 to 2 meters away from electrics to lessen the chance of any stray larger droplets from spraying onto the machinery. The length of time you'll need to fog an area depends on the size of the space. On this setting, the C100 will cover approximately 1 square meter per minute. For a more detailed breakdown or to inquire about an unusually sized space, please contact the AtmoSan team. Now that our office is fully sanitized, we can put the machine back into storage. Turn the machine back off using the switch and unplug the machine from the socket. As we set the fogger to a dry fog, we don't need to worry about wiping down any surfaces. Also, with our AtmoSan biocide, we can repopulate the office immediately with no waiting time between sanitizing sessions. However, again, if you're using a different fluid product, please remember to abide by the safety specifications of your chosen fluid and take all precautions advised by your supplier before repopulating the room. If you're using our ATP testing system, now is a great time to do another swab test to compare to your earlier sample and make sure that the area has been thoroughly sanitized. If you're using AtmoSan fluid and have some left over in the machine, this can be left in the tank, so long as it's kept out of direct sunlight and at room temperature between 5 and 25 degrees Celsius. This concludes our AtmoSonic C100 and C150 fogger demonstration. Please check out our website for more information, including fogging accessories, AtmoSan biocide and ATP testing equipment at www.atmosan.co.uk, or you can contact the team at 01722 445 400 or by email at info@atmosan.co.uk. Thank you.